How to manage web hosting in USA. The best web hosting services of USA 2022. You are one step away from picking the best web hosting provider to build, grow and maintain your online presence. In this article, we explore everything you could possible want to know about web hosting, and we also have a detailed explanation of how we thoroughly test each web hosting provider. If you are looking for the best web hosting service for your website, we have detailed summaries and reviews for each web hosting provider, highlighting their respective strengths and features that may be important for your choice, plus information on pricing and why each particular web host may be an ideal fit for you. To date, we have reviewed and are continuously reviewing more than 160 web hosting service provider, a number that include the best website builder service. No one has reviewed more web hosting providers than us online. If you are short on time, below are the top 10 web hosting provider, and if you have a little more time to spare, scroll further down to read more about why we choose them. Bluehost best web hosting overall. Hosting best WordPress hosting. HostingGator best shared web hosting. InMotion hosting best reseller web hosting. Green Geeks best green hosting services. GoDaddy best multilingual supports web host. Domain.com best shared hosting provider. Liquid Web best managed web hosting. Best unlimited web hosting. Hostmind best dedicated web hosting. Bluehost is the best overall web hosting service. While the competition is cutthroat, Bluehost continues to impress in almost every aspect, delivering the complete package of speed,